So on your fitting, you want a little bit of flux inside. Slide it on. Make sure the end of your pipe is spotlessly clean. Okay. We're going to heat up either side of the pipe. So just keep the torch moving. Okay. And then you test. If you're learning how to do this, just test to see whether it's melting. And you should see the solder suck in. You'll see it sucking in. See it? The same on the other side. And that's it. Clean it up carefully. Get some old copper pipe, draw the heat out of it. By drawing the heat out of it, helps it cool down faster. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Now you can get your wire wool. Careful, it's hot, so don't burn your fingers. Just give it a quick clean. Because what you don't want is any excess flux left behind, because it causes the pipe to turn green. So clean it up. There we go. That's it. That's all there is to it. Heat the pipe. Test it. If it's melting, then watch the solder suck in. It'll actually suck into the actual fitting. Okay? So that's what you're doing. I'm going to show you how to do an elbow joint. Same again. A bit of flux on the inside. Make sure you clean so it's spotless. Clean the other side. Put it together. Now don't forget, heat rises. So you heat the bottom here, not the top. Because when you do the bottom part, the heat will come up this way. And then you won't need as much heat on the top. So heat the pipe up. Just gently heat it up, test it out. You'll see the solder suck in. Give it a quick clean. Get your copper pipe, draw the heat out. And there you go. That's it. It's as simple as that.